The nominations for this year's KTP Scotland Awards highlight exactly what can be achieved when forward-looking businesses are brought together with the skills and innovation that reside within the knowledge base of Scotland's globally reputed academic institutions. Greenock-based Blairs Limited has a long history in the manufacture of bespoke timber windows and doors, yet in an increasingly competitive global marketplace, they recognised the need to radically improve their production processes and controls. So they linked up with Strathclyde University's Department of Design, Manufacturing and Engineering Management, and the project has delivered outstanding results.
Through the project, we increased our capacity by over 30%, and this led to a dramatic rise in our profitability.
The programme identified a strategy for Blairs, and Blairs have taken this strategy on board, not just for increasing capacity but for the long-term growth of the business.
We've now got a very good relationship with Blairs, and we have a further KTP programme with them.
I'm now production manager, and it's helped develop my career, both academically and through experience as well.
The challenge for British Polar Engines centred on improving their marine diesel engine performance and reducing harmful emissions. Their partnership with Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering at Strathclyde University enabled the company to gain a greater understanding of complex and specialised technology and achieve appropriate certification through the International Maritime Organisation.
The project that we were involved in is very complex, where engine emissions are involved. We did not have the technical expertise, the university did, and with their knowledge and our knowledge together, we felt that that would make the project successful. We now have an opportunity to use the facilities in the university where we have problems out with emissions where diesel engines are concerned, and we've worked in conjunction with them to solve these problems, and likewise we now have student visits coming to the factory to see how engines are manufactured, assembled and tested. The project in terms of value for money has been excellent. We could not have gone on this alone. Without the technical support of both KTP and the university, the project would not have been successful.
Caledonian Aerotech Limited, based in Livingston, was able to dramatically exceed the forecast outcomes of their project with Heriot-Watt University's School of Engineering and Physical Sciences. In improving their method for recycling and processing metal alloys, they were able to reduce emissions of volatile chemicals by 70% and make a considerable investment in a processing facility in the USA.
As a result of the KTP project, we found we had greater productivity in our machine, we had reduced emissions, and we had savings in trichloroethylene.
We had a knowledge base that we could provide to them. It also meant we could provide several pairs of hands to do bits of the work that were peripheral to the overall project.
We had fantastic support from the KTP. We had the full access to the Heriot-Watt University through all the academics up there. We just had no problem at all getting anything done through the KTP.
The partnership has led to 2 further KTP projects, which will be obviously beneficial to the university and we hope beneficial to Caledonian Alloys too.
Although a household name in the production of fixing products, Rollplug Limited recognised 2 core needs. Firstly, they identified a need to strengthen their position through the launch of new and innovative products. And secondly, they needed to gain international approval for their existing line. Their partnership with Bruce Wood, the director of the Creative Industry Centre at Glasgow Caledonian University, has led to a significant increase in the company's market share and the creation of new distribution channels in key retail outlets.
I think Rollplug partnered with the university and the centre in particular because they saw the blend and mix of applied knowledge and experience.
In the 2 years that we ran the KTP partnership, we introduced 3 new products. That one of the main products has brought in a revenue of £500,000.
The company has had the confidence to progress its ideas, and it's also understood the importance of its own intellectual property.
I now actually run the design department, so overall, great experience. I'd recommend it to anybody.
Environmental waste treatment specialists SureClean Limited partnered with the Robert Gordon University School of Engineering to develop a combination treatment process that would be unique and efficient. This has greatly enhanced SureClean's capabilities and has established the business as one of the most innovative and forward-thinking waste management companies in the UK.
The business has improved from our association with KTP through the fact that we've managed to develop systems that we would not have otherwise been able to develop. Previously we couldn't carry out this type of development because we didn't have the time, we didn't have the resources, and we didn't have the focus, I suppose, that KTP has given us. We're actually now on our third KTP project, and we've continued with Robert Gordon's University because of the relationship that we've built up over the period.
Knowledge transfer partnerships are a proven, powerful mechanism for stimulating business innovation and improving economic performance. Scotland has a rich heritage of innovation, and its academic institutions have a global reputation for excellence. The nominations for this year's KTP Scotland Awards are testament to that.